You drink one energy drink to stay awake, then another one to get through the day. But what is it actually doing to your body? Let's break down the real effects of energy drinks, not the marketing. Most energy drinks contain high caffeine, large amounts of sugar, stimulants like taurine, B vitamins in high doses. The problem is not just one ingredient, but is the combination of all the ingredients. In a short term, energy drinks can increase your heart rate, raise blood pressure, spike blood sugar, disrupt sleep. You may feel alert, but your body is under stress. Let's focus on sugar. Many energy drinks contain between 25 and 80 grams of sugar per can, depending on the brand and the size. Since 1 teaspoon of sugar equals about 4 grams, that translates to roughly 6 to 20 teaspoons of sugar in a single can. For context, the American Heart Association recommends not more than 6 teaspoons per day for women and not more than 9 teaspoons per day for men. So just one regular energy drink can exceed your entire daily recommended sugar intake. When you consume that much sugar quickly, blood sugar spikes, insulin surges, energy rises rapidly. Then comes the crash. Now add caffeine. Many energy drinks contain as much caffeine as 1.5 to 2 cups of coffee, sometimes more. This increases heart rate, blood pressure, stress hormones. You may feel alert, but your body is under strain. After the spike comes the crash. You feel tired again, you crave another can. That repeated cycle places stress on your heart, your metabolism, and your sleep pattern. For people with insulin resistance, prediabetes, or diabetes, these spikes can be more significant and harder to control. Energy drinks are especially risky for teenagers, people with high blood pressure, those with heart conditions, anyone sensitive to caffeine, and people already struggling with sleep. You see, the problem isn't one occasional can. It's using energy drinks daily as a solution for poor sleep, chronic stress, long hours of work. That's when problems begin. Energy drinks don't create energy, they borrow it from your body. If you want clear facts, evidence based explanations about health and medicines, please subscribe. Here you get clear facts, no fear, and no myths.